Welcome to the Lysaght Roofing and Walling training video. We're going to take a closer look at the range of roofing and walling products we offer. All made with 100% Australian steel for 100% peace of mind. Let's get started. Lysaght Roofing and Walling is manufactured from 100% Australian colour-bond steel and zinc-aluminum steel. Lysaght roof sheeting and wall cladding come in a range of profiles to suit many architectural styles. Our creative range of steel roofing and walling profiles can accommodate and complement many architectural styles for residential, commercial and industrial applications. Our values keep us at the forefront of the industry when it comes to product range, quality and level of service. Lysaght offers a wide range of roof cladding profiles. A profile is the term we use to describe the distinct aesthetic shape in the steel. When choosing a profile or product, a number of design factors need to be considered. The first consideration is the roof length, also known as the roof run and the roof pitch. Length and pitch values have a direct impact on the roof's ability to shed water and will affect the selection of roof profile, as well as the design sizing of gutters and downpipes. The next area of consideration is loads. These include dead, live, wind and snow loads. The final consideration is the shape of the roof. The roof shape will determine which products in the Lysaght range are suitable for a particular project. Lysaght roof sheeting can be used in a variety of roofing applications such as hip, gable, mansard and skillion, along with curved and bullnosed sheeting. Curved roofs come in two varieties, spring and pre-curved. A spring curved sheet is a straight sheet that is installed onto a curved support structure. These can either be convex or concave. Pre-curved roof sheets are curved by machine prior to installation. A bullnosed roof is a single slope of roof sheet with a machined curve at the gutter end. When talking about Lysaght roof sheet and walling products, it's important to use the correct terminology. Cover width is the width of effective coverage the roof sheet provides. It allows for the overlap of roof sheets at both edges. A rib is a ridge in the roof sheet. A pan is the flat section between two ribs. A crest is the top of a rib. The height of a roof sheet is the distance between the pan and the crest. When a sheet is placed over multiple supports, the spans at both ends are called end spans, and all other pans within the sheet length are called internal spans. When a sheet extends past the last support, the extended portion is called an overhang. The sheeting manufactured by Lysaght is available in a variety of finishes such as colour-bond steel, zinc-aluminum steel or galvanised. Our cladding comes in a wide variety of profiles, each with their own recommended application and effective cover width. Some of these include custom orb, trim deck, span deck, clip lock, panel rib, mini orb, trim wall clad and flat deck. Please check the Lysaght website or with your local representative for your state's offer. Cladding can be fixed to the existing building structure in three ways. Rib or crest pierced fixing involves a screw being drilled through the rib of the sheet into the structure below. Valley or pan pierce fixing is a similar process, except the screw is drilled through the valley of the sheet instead. Clip or concealed fixing is when the cladding sheet is attached to the clips, which are pre-installed on the underlying structure. Wall sheets can be installed by any of the three possible fixing types, while roof sheeting must be either rib-pierced or clip-fixed, depending on the sheeting profile. Let's take a closer look at how roof and wall sheets are installed. First, the frame of the underlying building structure is constructed. The battens are then installed, and then the cladding can now be installed. Each sheet is laid in place with the required overlap and is fixed to the building frame with roofing screws or clips. Lysaght offers a range of associated products which may be required to complement an overall roof or wall system. These include, but are not limited to, fasteners, rainwater goods, insulation and moisture barrier products, roof ventilators, translucent sheeting, louvers, vents and skylights. Refer to the Lysaght website for selection guides and other key information, including brochures and catalogues, colour selection chart, installation and design manuals, fastener and clip guides, support spacing tables, and rainfall capacities. That's it. We've finished our closer look at Lysaght roofing and walling products. Thank you for your time.